Walk down the cleaning aisle of any supermarket, and you'll see hundreds of brightly colored bottles, each promising a miracle. A spotless bathroom, a grease-free kitchen, a home that smells like lemon fields or lavender gardens. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most of these products are loaded with harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin, trigger allergies, and even pollute the air in your own home. And yet, we keep buying them, thinking they're the only option. The power of DIY cleaning. Homemade cleaners aren't just about saving money, they give you control. No mystery chemicals, no artificial fragrances, just pure, effective solutions you can trust. And here's the shocking part. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and soap can outperform many fancy, expensive cleaners. The secret isn't in a factory, it's in chemistry. And nature's chemistry has always been the best. DIY glass and mirror cleaner, streak-free shine. Ever sprayed a window cleaner and been left with streaks? The secret DIY version is unbelievably simple. In a spray bottle, combine 2 cups of water, 1/2 cup of vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Yes, cornstarch. It breaks down residue and prevents streaks. Spray it on glass, wipe with a microfiber cloth, and watch your windows sparkle without the chemical smell. DIY bathroom scrub. Goodbye, soap scum. Bathrooms are the toughest battle zone. Soap scum, hard water stains, and mildew seem impossible. But here's where baking soda and dish soap become your secret weapons. Mix 1/2 cup of baking soda with a few tablespoons of liquid dish soap until it forms a thick paste. Apply this paste with a sponge on tiles, bathtubs, and sinks. Scrub gently and rinse. The result? Soap scum disappears, tiles shine, and your bathroom smells clean without toxic fumes. DIY carpet deodorizer. Fresh floors instantly. Carpets trap odors, pets, food, even sweat. Store-bought sprays only mask them. The DIY solution? Baking soda plus essential oil. Take 1 cup of baking soda, add 10 to 15 drops of lavender or eucalyptus oil, mix well, and sprinkle over your carpet. Leave for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for deep odors. Then vacuum. Your carpet not only smells amazing, but also feels refreshed. DIY kitchen degreaser. Beat the grease. Grease is the hardest thing to fight, especially around stoves. But with this DIY spray, it becomes effortless. Mix 2 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and a few drops of dish soap in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray directly on greasy surfaces. Wipe with a damp cloth and the grease melts away. For stubborn grease, add a splash of vinegar to the mix. It cuts through grime like magic. DIY wood furniture polish. Shine without chemicals. Commercial polishes leave waxy buildup, but this DIY version feeds your wood naturally. Mix 1/2 cup of olive oil with 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Dip a soft cloth in the mixture and rub gently on wood surfaces. Not only does it remove dust, but it also restores shine and leaves a natural citrus scent. DIY laundry booster. Brighter, fresher clothes. Did you know you can boost your laundry without expensive detergents? Just add 1/2 cup of baking soda or 1/2 cup of white vinegar to your wash cycle. Baking soda softens water, helps detergent work better, and removes odors. Vinegar breaks down residue and makes clothes softer. Together, they keep laundry fresh and clean without extra chemicals. The power is in your hands. So there you have it. The best DIY cleaning products that actually work. From an all-purpose spray to bathroom scrubs, carpet refreshers, wood polish, and even laundry boosters, nature has already given us everything we need. The truth is, you don't need a shelf full of chemical bottles. With a few simple ingredients, you can keep your home sparkling, fresh, and safe. So the next time you see those flashy bottles in the store, remember, you already have something better at home. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Big Sweep. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. because your home deserves to be clean, safe, and chemical-free.